Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Here is a new set of rumored Canon EOS R8 camera specifications. Although there are rumors about the Canon R8 that it may be an EOS R, save $200, replacement, the general consensus is that the R8 will be a new full-frame mirrorless camera that will sit below the EOS R6. According to latest Canon rumors, the R8 will feature Digic-X image processor and a 30.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, just like the one found in the EOS R7 and EOS R10. The camera is able to record high-quality images with more details and the ability to shoot uncropped 4K up to 30 frames per second. Take it with a grain of salt and stay tuned for the updates. Let's have a look at the EOS R8 rumored specifications. 30.3 million pixel CMOS sensor, Digic-X image processor, 5-axis image stabilization, full pixel dual-core autofocus, continuous shooting at 12 frames per second, 12 frames per second mechanical, 4K recording at 30 frames per second, without cropping, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, cropping, SD and CF Express dual card slot design. That's it for this video. What do you think about upcoming Canon EOS R8 and EOS R6 Mark II? Do comment below. See you soon with some new updates.